Second column, add a video. Yeah, just go to insert video and audio from computer, say browse. Yeah, what is SharePoint? Looks good. Click open. Wow, not bad. Let's scroll down. In the second part, add some picture in a below one. Looks good. Scroll down now. In the next part, add a table. You have a table, yeah. Just maybe select 3 columns and 3 rows. It looks fine. All right. Just type here something like that, like name in a column 1, name, in column 2, information. Looks good for me. Click save now. Beautiful. So what will happen if I want to see this from outside? So let's visualize this one as outside. I'm going to click amazon.com. Yes. Now it looks better. I can play the video.
Teamwork isn't about where you
Wow.
are. It's about being connected. And with SharePoint Online, you'll see how to create, store, and share content on the web, wherever you are. Build intranet sites and create pages, document libraries, and lists to share information across your company. Then add web parts like text, images, and documents to format and customize your content. Showcase important visuals, news, and updates in a modern layout with communication sites, or connect all the right people for a project with team sites. Discover, follow, and search for sites, files, and people, and manage your day-to-day routine with workflows, forms, and lists and libraries. Sync and store your files in the cloud so anyone can securely work with you. And with the mobile app, catch up with group news on the go. Learn more.
All right. That looks good. Wonderful. Now what will happen if I go to Kindle? All right. What is going to give me? It say that I have something called name, modified, modified by, but I want some more column here, like the name, when created, what is the check-in comment. So I want to see more columns in this document library. All yours. So we are here. Go back to books now. All right. So how we can change the view here? Mhm. Mm, click save. All right, just add some column, check in comment, check out to, content type, created by, edit link and file size maybe. I think this looks good. Click save. Wow. I'm able to see now what my file size is. I'm able to see now who has created. I'm also able to see is there any check-in comment by the user when they upload the data. Now let's upload another file. This time we are going to provide a check-in comment. So let me refresh this page from outside, upload another file, Molecule, and this time give a check-in comment. Choose file. Maybe you can scroll down. You have something more. Yeah. Maybe this document, AWS. Yeah, very good. Now give your version comment here. Click OK. Look at that. Your check-in comment is now appear for another user to visualize it. Correct? Let's edit this document. Click this document now. Say open Word. So I as a user, but it is asking me a permission because remember you log in with the user Tom. Correct? Say that you open this document, read only from the server. So by default, the document is been protected for any kind of a modification. Just say edit document. That's not a problem. I'm okay. Type your name on top. Now click save. Just click save. All right. Close this document now. So you have uploaded this document directly on a SharePoint. Now open the document one more time. Open with Word. This time, type the username spAdmin. Yes, your document has been saved now. You have a molecule, which I am able to see now. Just click cancel. We do not need that because anyhow objective is not to modify the document. So it means that what the SharePoint is going to offer to my user, they can work on the document, whatever we have uploaded on my SharePoint site directly from their own laptop or a desktop. They can change the document. Can two users at the same time modify the document? Let's check now. Click this one. This time log in with, yeah, click this AWS Elastic Beanstalk with Java. Yeah, click open Word. Give a username Tom. All right. Just remove that. Yeah. All right. Be here. Click edit document. Just wait for a minute. Now let's open the same URL to somewhere else. Now currently you are in which browser? Now let me open the same site, but this time I want to open in Google Chrome or maybe somewhere here. So let me have this one, click incognito, paste this one. Now log in here with spAdmin. So one document already opened by Tom. Yeah, open the same document now. I think scroll down. Yeah. Yeah. Same document opened by two different users. One by the user or one user who is Tom, another user who is spAdmin. Now, what will happen in this case? Can both the user modify the document? Let's first update this document and say updated by Tom. Type here updated by Tom. Monique, just type here updated by Tom. Close this one now. Just save it. Yeah. And close this one now. Now go back to, just click this again, AWS Elastic Beanstalk with Java. This time, click open Word. Log in with SP admin, not with Tom this time. Edit the document. Close this one. Edit the document. Click cross. You do not need. Click edit document and say that just below type another line updated by SP admin. Save this one. Close this one now. Now, how will you find it out? Who update this document? Who all user has updated this document? Because two user update the same document. And I have no way to find out who has make the changes. Correct now? When someone will open the document, they will find two lines, but they have no way to find it out who did what. So what we will do now, we will go to the site library again. This time, go back to the document library and check what option we can enable here. Go back to setting. Go to the site setting. Look at that. This is a site setting. We have to go back to the site content or maybe a document library. Just click document. Click document. All right. Now go to library on the top. On top, on extreme top, you have a library. Yeah. And click edit or maybe a library setting. Now here I have an option called versioning setting. Click that versioning setting. So by default, what it says now, whatever the content anyone write, whether this content need to get an approval first, until and unless content, whatever you upload, if it does not get reviewed by the senior person, and if it did not get approved, then the content is not going to be published into the SharePoint. By default setting say no. Then look at that below. You say that document is not going to maintain any version. Right now? So we are going to enable that this particular document is also going to manage a versioning. And what the versioning example it is going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also create a version like version 1.1, 1.0, 2.1, 2.0. Just click create major and a minor draft version. All right. Scroll down and then say that who should see the draft of document in a document library. By default, any user who has a read permission, they can see your draft permission. Or we can change it that until and unless we do not assign an edit permission, user cannot see the draft document. So we can change here only user who can edit item have a permission to see the draft version. Click here. All right. And the last one, required document to be checked out before they can edit. Checked out means document will lock for editing. Other user cannot edit this document. Click yes now. Click OK. I make certain changes in the setting of this document library, where I say here this particular document library is going to maintain the version. And as a user, you also have to define what version exactly you are going to work on. Now let's say click the advanced setting of this document library and just click here, allow management of content type. Scroll it down below. So what is the, yeah, just scroll up. More scroll up. Yeah, hold on. So here what the default behavior? It say that by default, whenever you click any application, it is going to use application which is installed in your desktop. So what I can say that either it can open in a client application and it is going to open in a browser only. So when I make this setting enable, document will only open in a browser. It is not going to use your MS Office, which is installed in your local application, your local desktop. Just click this now. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah, and click OK. So we have baked the versioning comment. We have baked how this version is going to be maintained within the SharePoint. Now go back again, the same user. Now click this document. Yeah. Give a username, maybe a Tom or SP admin. Look at that. What the word is can see this one. Look at the word what it is saying now. It says check out first. Check out means This document is locked for modification. No other user can modify the document at the same time. So when you click checkout, it means that the document is locked for editing. No one can edit this document except you, until and unless you do a check-in one more time. Click checkout now, because until and unless you do not do a checkout, then you cannot use this document to be work on. And this document is now locked for modification. Only you as a user at this point of time, you can do a modification. If some other user try to modify the document at the same time, SharePoint is not going to allow them. They say that your document is already locked. You can only read, you cannot modify the document. You have only option to read the document, not to modify the document. Now just put some comment, say that document is locked for editing. All right, save this one. Close this document. Now, what is they asking that? Just look at that, the word. Others won't be able to see your changes until you check in. Do you want to check in now? So when you say check in, only then the document is available for other user to modify. I say no, just say no now. Close now. Now go to the other user account and access this same document. Last time we used Tom, right? Or maybe SP admin, I'm not sure. Close that one. Last time, which user you have logged in? SP admin or
Yeah, it was SPI.
this SP admin? So now it is saying that, look at that, whatever the changes you make there, it is not coming here now, right? There is no locked word. Correct? There is no locked word now in this document. Just because another user who modify the document, they say that whatever I am trying to modify is basically locked because I have not confirmed that the modification is complete. Maybe another user is still working on the document. That is the reason why you are not able to see the changes made by the first document. Click checkout now. Now look at that, what it is saying there. Hey guys, I am pretty sorry. This document is currently locked for editing by another user. Correct? So it means that